Appam is a traditional South Indian and Sri Lankan dish, often served for breakfast or dinner. These soft and lacy rice pancakes have a slightly sweet taste and pair well with coconut milk or various side dishes. To make appam, you will need raw rice, cooked rice, grated coconut, soaked fenugreek seeds, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Start by washing and soaking the raw rice for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Next, grind the soaked raw rice, cooked rice, grated coconut, and soaked fenugreek seeds into a smooth batter. If you've added fenugreek seeds, allow the batter to ferment for 6 to 8 hours or overnight for a unique flavor. After fermentation, add sugar, baking soda, and salt to the batter and mix well. Heat in a Appam pan over medium heat and grease it lightly with oil. Pour a ladleful of batter into the center of the pan and swirl it around to coat the edges. Cover the pan with a lid and cook until the edges turn golden brown and the center is cooked. Serve the appams warm with coconut milk, stew, or any side dish of your choice. Enjoy your delicious homemade